Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off Teams notifications. So to start, open Teams. Next, click the three dots at the top right besides your profile picture. Then from here, look for settings and select it. Next, at the left side, go ahead and select notifications and activity. So from here, you can turn off chat notifications, sound notifications. You can turn off channel notifications. You can disable desktop banners and pop ups, or you can turn off missed activity emails. Next, you can also click your profile picture at the top. Then from here, select available, and you can set your status to do not disturb, or you can use your computer's focus to not disturb mode. Now, if you want to stop notifications during meetings, so again, just go to settings and from settings, click notifications and activity, then turn off show notifications during calls and meetings. Or you can also mute all notifications by enabling this. So toggle it on. And now all of your notifications is now set again. And now all the notifications is now muted. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.